This is a brand new way of installing Kali NetHunter OS on any Android device. This guide doesn't require root or custom recovery. All you need is a stock unmodified Android device to install Kali NetHunter without voiding the warranty. In the previous video, some users are having issues while installing Kali NetHunter on their smartphones running Android 12 or 13. This is an updated method and lets you install and run Kali Linux on any Android device or tablet without any issues. That being said, let's get started. The prerequisite of this video, you need an Android smartphone or tablet running Android 10 or higher. Next up, you need to reserve a 10 GB of free space on the internal storage. Now, as you can see, this is my Android device running the stable version of Android 13. Installing Kali NetHunter Rootless Edition on Android smartphone or tablet is only possible with an application called Termux. Go ahead, open your favorite browser, then head over to this GitHub page and download the Termux application. Make sure you are downloading the file that says ARM64 V8. Then head over to this website and download the NetHunter Store application. Now, once you have done downloading both files, go ahead and install them on your Android device. Now open the NetHunter store and search for another application called NetHunter Kex. Just go ahead and download this application and install it. Then open Termux and wait for a few seconds to complete the setup. Now you can see a prompt that is ready to take input. We need to type a bunch of commands to set up Kali NetHunter. If you have a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard connected to your Android device via USB port. Now this helps you type the commands very easily. Then type termux-setup-storage to access the file storage permission. You go ahead and choose to allow. Then type pkg space upgrade to update the package manager. You will see a few prompts asking for confirmation. Just type Y for all. Now, if in case pkg upgrade fails to run, you can run termux-change-repo and change your mirror for the main repository to a different Termux mirror. Now, once it's done, rerun the command to upgrade. It's time to install the wget command. To do so, type pkg install wget. Now, once it's done, type wget space -O space install -NetHunter -Termux space and type this URL and press the enter key. The URL is case sensitive and make sure to type exactly what you see. I will paste all these commands in the description of this video, so go ahead and check them out later. Now this command downloads the installer script. To execute the script, we need to change permissions. To do so, type chmod space plus X space install dash NetHunter dash Termux. Then run the script by executing this command. Now this will take some time to set up Kali NetHunter. Make sure your Android smartphone or tablet is connected to the faster internet. It's also recommended to increase the screen time limit to 30 minutes, which prevents your device from going to sleep. Now it may ask to delete the rootfs file system. Just go ahead, choose N for no. And that's it. Now we have done installing Kali Linux NetHunter Rootless Edition running inside an Android smartphone. You can type NetHunter or NH to enter the CLI mode of Kali Linux. The first thing to do after entering into CLI mode is to update the Kali by running this command. Just type sudo apt update to update the package list. This is kind of pre-root thing we are doing, which is a user implementation of chroot. And once it's done, you can install the command like neofetch by running sudo apt install neofetch. You can see it works perfectly. Now I can run commands like nmap, ping, and more. Now let's ping kali.org and you can see I'm receiving the packets in return. It's time to enable the desktop mode of the Kali Linux NetHunter edition. To do so, first exit from the CLI mode, then type NetHunter or NH space kex space passwd and press the enter key. Now set a password. Choose no for view only password. Then type NetHunter or NH space kex space ampersand to start running the VNC server. Now open the NetHunter kex application. Type the password over here. And press the connect from the top right. Voila! Now you can see the full desktop mode of Kali Linux. I tried running the Firefox browser. It keeps on showing an error whenever I try to open a website. The terminal and a few other tools of Kali NetHunter worked very well for me. Now keep in mind, after using the GUI for a few minutes, the server may get killed and you will see this message on Termux. This is because of the phantom process killer introduced in Android 12 or higher. It's a background process limiter that kills the app processes using excessive CPU or system resources. Termux is a well-known application suffering from this background limitation. Anyway, to fix this issue on your Android device, head over to the About page and tap on the build number 7 times to activate the developer options. Then enable Android debugging from developer settings. Now connect your Android device to the computer. In my case, I'm connecting to a Windows 11 computer. If you see any pop-up on your device, go ahead and allow the permission. Then head over to this link and download the platform tools for Windows. extract to the location where Windows 11 files are located. If you go inside this folder, you can see ADB and other commands. Then highlight the address bar from the top and copy it. Now open the search bar, type environment variable. Inside here, choose path. Click on new and paste the location. This allows access to the ADB command throughout the system. Now open the command prompt and type ADB devices. You will see the device identifier. So this means the computer can interact with Android devices using the ADB shell. Now go ahead and execute these commands one after the other. I have pasted all the commands in the description. Just go ahead, copy and paste them. Now these commands will disable the phantom process killer. To verify, you need to run these two commands one by one. Make sure after running these two commands, the written value should look the same as mine. That means the phantom process killer is successfully disabled. Now I'm gonna detach the USB cable and open Termux on my Android device. Then type nh space kex space ampersand to start the VNC server once again and see how it works. Voila, now you can see the server has started. Let's quickly connect to the GUI through the VNC viewer. And perfect, there are no issues you will notice. It's also recommended to disable the battery restriction on Termux so it stays active in the background. This is how you fix signal line errors in Android 12 or 13 using ADB. Now once you are done working with Kali via VNC viewer, close the application and using the ongoing notification, choose exit to quit the Termux application. And that's pretty much it. This is how you install Kali NetHunter Edition inside an Android device without the need for root. So let me know what do you think in the comment section down below. For more information, please check the description of this video. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.